Pete Gustis here, Small Business Resource Center and PeteGustis.com. Like, share, and subscribe. I just found this interesting website that I started looking at and using some information from. It's called rev.com. The great thing about this website is actually it's multi-purpose. If you're a freelancer and you can transcribe, dictate, or do other things, this might be a good job for you. They actually have freelancer resources. You have a flexible work schedule, get paid weekly. If you're a business owner, of course, you can actually hire them at these rates to transcribe, do rough drafts, closed caption, videos, translation services. So they have all kinds of services that they offer. What I was using this for, and let me see if I can find it here. Okay. No, that's not it exactly. All right. Well, I don't know where it is exactly because I don't see a link for it. But what I was using it for is they have a link that has, if you look up transcriptions for stuff like the press briefs, I have the links in the descriptions. I'm trying to put them there. So if you're interested in looking at any press brief for almost any politician, maybe a lot of companies too, they actually archive them and they put them in there. They're free to look at. You don't have to even create a username and login. So it's a nice resource if you're someone like me who's making a video, or maybe you want to do research. Somebody said, hey, look, this person said this or did this. You can actually look at a full transcript if you feel like it and read everything they said during a speech, which is awesome. You know, if you look at something and only get one sentence, you don't really understand exactly what's going on. But if you read the whole thing in context, you might get a better idea. So keep that in mind. Pete Gustis, Small Business Resource Center. Like, subscribe, share. If you're looking for a job, they can have one for you. If you need their services, rev.com. Check it out. Have a great day.